Hi, in front of me is REALME C21 and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibrations on this device. Start by going into settings and scrolling down a bit. Then click on sound and vibration, and over here click on the switcher next to vibrate for incoming calls to turn them on or off. You can also click on the switcher next to vibrate on silent to enable or disable vibrations while your device is muted. Then scroll down, and over here disable or enable touch vibrations by clicking on the switcher next to vibrate on touch. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!